Nothing like family, huh, bro?
Yep, nothing like it.
Yeah, I love it. And guess what? What's up, y'all?
We don't do free interviews.
What?
We don't do free interviews.
Well, that's too bad.
We don't. We want money.
No, you ain't getting money. All right, Shante, just kidding.
No, I'm not.
Can't be on the internet.
Well, yes, you can.
God won't allow me to be on the internet.
Well, I'll be darned.
I told you that.
You never told me that.
I always tell you that.
Well, I didn't put you on, huh?
Hey, it's happy Thanksgiving.
I ain't put you on, huh?
That's what I'm trying to say.
Well,
Be on, but I'm trying to catch Shireen.
well, yes, I was, but I'm not gonna talk to you when I'm filming. But anyway, y'all. But anyway, y'all. Welcome to my live stream and stuff like that. You know. Okay, so nothing like family and stuff. Oh, and by the way, y'all. Today my friend Erica's birthday, y'all. And would y'all like to say happy birthday to her? Yeah. Well, you have people. You don't.
Is she something like Tanya?
No, she different than Tanya. Yeah, Erica, did you hear that? If you're watching this, that's HUAP over there, my co-executive producer.
You heard that, huh? It's on camera, baby. Now, don't publish that episode.
Well, former.
Now, don't publish that episode. You're on camera saying I'm the co-producer.
Well, yeah. Okay, well, let's go to Huey right now.
What is my title?
This is on Facebook.
Yes, what is my title, sir?
Former co-executive producer.
No, former, ain't no former.
I'm just joking, y'all. So,
how y'all doing? Happy Thanksgiving to y'all.
And would you like to say happy birthday to my friend Erica?
Hey, Erica, and happy birthday. I wish you many, many more. Enjoy this holiday.
That might be your future cousin-in-law, if possible.
I heard
it could be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying, though. You know. So, anything you want to say? Nope. Eva, look. Eva, what you want to say? You're on TV.
My family does not do free interviews.
Huh? Yeah. No free interviews, they say. Okay. Erica, anything you want to say?
Happy Thanksgiving, I'm full.
And guess what? It's Erica's birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yeah. All right. Well. I can't believe I'm saying this. People gonna watch this eventually, but she could probably be my future girl. She I'm gonna be her boyfriend because it's her birthday. She getting a boyfriend, and that's me. All right, I'm sorry. I shouldn't lie though. So anyway, Sharon and Valerie, how y'all doing? Y'all on the show? All right. All righty. All right. So yeah, though. All right. So anything you want to say?
No.
Oh, you said enough?
It's your world, cuz.
Well, I'm gonna go to Instagram Live after this.
All right.
And I'm all right. So, all right. That's all I got to say, though. I don't mean to ignore my phone call, though. So, all right. So that's all I got to say. So I'll see y'all later, I guess. All right, bye.
I don't like
That's a Shantae right
there. What's her name?
That was you making that.
I don't do free interviews.
Yes, you do. All right, that's all.